All right, you guys, I have my pre-cooked rotini pasta in here, and I did let it cool down this time. I took your guys' advice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 cans of red enchilada sauce. These are the little tiny cans. And we're just gonna pour that right on top of our rotini. This is gonna be such a good lunch, dinner, whatever you wanna make it for. All right, I'm gonna grab some black beans. I already drained and washed these. Sprinkle that right on top. I'm gonna grab some corn that I drained, and we're using full cans of each of these. Give that a little shimmy. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. All right, I'm gonna grab some olives. These are totally optional. I know they're not everyone's favorites, but I personally love olives.
I hate olives.
Well, good thing this is for me and not you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some chicken right in there. This is some pre-cooked chicken that I just got in the deli section of my grocery store. Kind of make sure they're separated up so they're not such big pieces in there. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Smells delicious. That enchilada sauce is my favorite.
It smells delicious. I might try olives after this.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, and then I have some onions that my hubby diced up for me because I hate crying when I chop up my onions.
And babe, those are chopped really bad. You shouldn't have said that.
That's exactly why I did say it. All right, and then another optional thing, I'm gonna add some cilantro. I know that it tastes weird to some people, but it tastes delicious to me. And if you couldn't tell, this is kind of like a Mexican-inspired pasta salad. All right, now I'm gonna grab some lime juice.
Lime juice?
Yep, we're just adding all of that flavor into this dish. Beautiful. Okay, and of course, all good pasta salads have some cheese. I have this queso cojita. Cojita, did I say that right?
Cotija.
Cotija. Okay, see? That's why I have you. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. I'm gonna use about half of this 7-ounce bag.
So cotija cheese is actually really salty.
Oh, okay. Well, that's why I only used half, and we didn't add any extra seasonings on top of the enchilada sauce. So now it is time to put our lid on, just like this. That's why I put it in my aluminum pan, because we're gonna give this a nice, good shake. Woo! Get everything covered in that enchilada sauce so that it's all flavorful and mixed together. So much easier than mixing it with a spoon. Woo!
Ooh, there
Okay,
you go.
maybe it is easier with a spoon.
No, that was, look at that, no chance.
All right, give it one more good mix. Oh yeah,
The
look how
enchilada
good
sauce
that
smells so
looks.
good.
Yeah, the enchilada sauce was the right call for this. And you guys can honestly use the green enchilada sauce if that's what you prefer. All right, it is time to serve this up. Okay, get a nice scoop of all that goodness. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. That one is so good. You guys gotta try it.